So my daughter is playing the drums with my chopsticks on the toilet. Oh, wait, no. She's moved to the sink. But she prefers the toilet. Are you playing the drums? Okay, play the drums. Tell Daddy, say hi, Daddy. Say I love you. Sing your I love you song too. Good girl. Okay, I guess I'm gonna stop it. We could go on all day. Yeah. Okay, are we done? Nope, you're gonna keep playing? Okay. Yeah, those are chopsticks, not drumsticks.